No, please. Sorry. Thank you. We'll go straight to the questions with Gareth Southgate.
Vi går direkte til spørgsmål
of the
til
English national
Gareth
team.
Southgate,
Raise your
Englands
hands,
træner.
please.
Ræk hånden op inden.
Start from here. Thank you.
Vi starter her. Tak.
Southgate, good evening.
God aften.
After 2 games in the Euros, is England performing better than you expected?
Efter 2 kampe i slutrunden,
Worse than you expected?
spiller England bedre
What is your
end
impression
forventet,
so far after 2 games?
eller værre? Hvad er dit indtryk?
We have to accept that.
Vi skal
Let's talk
acceptere,
about today.
at
We didn't press the
lad
ball
os
with
snakke
enough
om
intensity.
i dag. Vi havde
And
ikke nok
we kept conceding
intensitet.
possession too cheaply. And when you do
Vi,
those two things,
blev ved med at
it's
miste
hard to have
boldene.
control in the game. So
Det var svært at have kontrol
it led to
i kampen.
an anxious performance the longer the game went on.
Det gjorde vores,
And we understand
vores
that
spil lidt ængstligt.
That's got to be better if we want to progress to the stages
Det
of
skal
the
være bedre,
tournament
hvis vi
that
vil
everybody's
videre fra
expecting
gruppen,
and delivering what we need to deliver.
som alle forventer, og
Next
vi
question.
skal præstere, hvor vi skal
Front,
præstere.
second row.
Næste spørgsmål.
Hello, Gareth. Sam Wallace from The Telegraph. You very rarely take Harry Kane off. I think it was Hungary in the World Cup
Det er
qualifier was
tit,
the
at
last
du
time you
skifter
didn't really
Harry
need a goal. Is
Kane
he fit at the
ud.
moment?
Well, we just
han
felt the
klar
whole
i
front line
øjeblikket?
put a lot of work into the game the other day. He's
Vi
not
følte
had.
bare, at
He's only had 190 minutes in the last
det var,
5 or 6 weeks, so
det var
the other night
nødvendigt.
took a
Han
lot
har
out of
ikke
him. I
spillet
mean, we could
90
have
minutter
stayed with
i
it, but we thought
i nogle uger.
to get speed in the front line at that moment, to
Vi
get
skulle have lidt
energy,
mere,
to be able to press was
hastighed
important.
Op foran.
So yeah, that was the decision we took with all of the
Så det
substitutes
var den
basically.
beslutning, vi skulle tage, og sådan var det med alle udskiftningerne.
Pierre from L'Equipe. If we compare to the game to the Serbia, Kane dropped
Hvis
more
vi-
and Foden play more centrally. So did you give them both
Hvis vi
more
lige,
freedom for this game?
I forhold til
Yeah, we played
Serbien-kampen,
more with the 10
kom
today,
Foden lidt
and,
ned på banen, mens
that meant
Kane
that
var lidt
when
længere op.
Kane was coming low.
Hvordan kan det være?
We had players running past him, a little bit more in contact with him.
Kane,
We
han
also
blev lidt
pressed
mere
slightly
alene på
differently,
banen,
which
og der var
meant that
spillere, der løb
Foden was starting a
meget
little bit more
forbi ham.
in field. But
Foden
our
startede
press
lidt
wasn't
længere ned
intense enough, and it meant that
Vores pres var
our
ikke
backline
intens
had a
nok
problem
i
with the
dag.
players dropping either side of our
Vores
pivots. So
forsvar havde
that's
lidt
something that
problemer
has to
over
be
ved-
better. We know with the profile of
ved
players
bak.
that we've got,
Positionerne.
we don't feel the way to press is really high up the pitch. Don't think that's the physical level of the team at the moment either. But
Vi
we've got to
skal
find
også
a
blive
way
bedre
of
til at presse lidt længere opad
being
på
more
banen.
compact and more difficult
Vi
to
skal
play
være lidt mere
against than we found
kompakte.
in the last 3 halves of football.
With a question over
Og
here.
vi skal også være
before.
lidt sværere at
Thanks.
spille mod, som vi var i de sidste kampe inden.
Hi, Gareth. Oliver Kay from The Athletic. How do you feel the setup has worked and the personnel has worked over the last 2 games? And is it inevitable there'll be changes for game 3 anyway? And what will sort of dictate?
Bliver det nødvendigt at lave
Yeah, we
nogle
need to
større
look
ændringer
clearly
i tredje
Really
kamp?
disappointed with the level of the 2 performances we've had. So
Vi
we've
er
got
skuffet
to
over vores
go and
præstationer i de
analyse
sidste
that
2
in
kampe.
depth and
Vi bliver nødt til at analysere
find some
det
solutions to
detaljeret, og vi skal finde nogle
addressing the
løsninger.
issues that we have. And
Og vi skal finde nogle løsninger på,
over the next few
på de
days,
problemer, vi
we'll spend a
har.
lot of time doing that.
Så de næste par dage kommer til at stå rigtig meget på det.
We know the level has to be higher. We know the level can be
Vi ved,
higher.
at vores niveau skal
Maybe
være
the biggest
højere, og
thing
det
is
kan også godt
we
være
have to
højere.
accept
Vi
the
skal bare
environment that we're in, and the
acceptere
expectations that
miljøet,
are
vi er
around
i,
us.
og forventningerne.
We're going to have to
der er
walk
omkring
towards that
os.
challenge. At the moment, we're falling a little bit
Vi skal
short of that.
være klar til
Ultimately,
at
that's my
tage de udfordringer,
responsibility.
der
I'm the
forventes. Det er
And I've
mit
got to
ansvar,
guide
for jeg
this
er træner,
group in the best way possible
og jeg bliver nødt til at guide holdet på
to
den bedst
achieve
mulige måde,
extraordinary things.
så de kan
You have to go through
præstere og
some
opnå
difficult moments.
fantastiske
Today was
resultater.
a
Og for
difficult
at kunne
moment
det,
without a doubt
skal
towards
man
the
også gå
end of the
igennem
game,
nogle
especially.
svære øjeblikke.
But
Og det har
England
der også
have never
været, især
won
i slutningen af den her kamp.
back-to-back qualification matches, I was told yesterday. So there's a reason for that, and we
England
hope
har
to
vundet
write a different
alle
story today. We haven't
kvalifikationskampene, og det er
managed
også
that.
en en grund
We
til.
understand what that will mean for the next few days, but we have to stay calm inside the group and
Lige nu skal
find
vi
good
bare
solutions to improving.
stille og roligt inde i holdet, så skal vi finde nogle
Mike Keegan from the Daily Mail.
gode
Just
løsninger.
wanted to get your thoughts on the pitch tonight. It seemed to be cutting up really badly.
synes
Is that a
du
surprise to come in and
om
encounter
banen
something
i
like
dag?
that?
Den
at a major
virkede til at
tournament,
være
and did it impact on the way your team
i
could
dårlig
play
stand.
tonight?
Var det
Look,
en afgørende
firstly,
faktor for dit hold?
we can't be making any excuses for the level of the
Vi
performance.
kan ikke komme på nogle undskyldninger for
we have to accept
vores præstation.
responsibility.
Vi skal tage
We
ansvar.
noticed this pitch did cut up the other day in the game we were watching
Vi
the other day. I think it was
så,
Belgium
hvordan
played here.
banen
What I
var,
would say is,
da vi så
I've been a
Belgien-kampen.
defender. When you play on a pitch like that,
Jeg
it
selv var
puts you on edge
forsvarsspiller, når man
because you're
spiller
not quite sure of your footing.
på sådan
and you're
en
not quite sure
bane,
when
presser det dig
one
lidt, fordi du
moment,
ikke helt
one
er sikker
slip
på,
could cost the team.
hvornår du
as I
glider,
said, we've got to look beyond that
og hvornår
for,
det kan koste
for the
holdet.
reasons for our performance.
Men det kan ikke være en undskyldning for vores præstation i dag.
I mean, you've got a lot of young, inexperienced players who are new to this.
Du har
There are
mange
moments in the
uerfarne
second half
spillere.
towards the end where you can hear boos from the fans. Is that unhelpful?
I
in
anden
that
halvleg
environment?
kunne
Is
man
it making it
høre
harder for them to relax?
fansene bue af jer. Var det svært
I think
for
we have
de
to
unge spillere?
accept this is the environment we're in.
Vi skal
We're in the
acceptere, at
environment of winning on the
sådan er
biggest
omgivelserne.
possible stage, and
Vi er på
if we don't
verdens,
hit the
eller på
level,
Europas
if
største
I don't
scene.
hit the level that's needed, then
Hvis man ikke
we have to accept what
rammer
comes our
niveauet, og
way.
hvis
We
jeg
have
ikke
to
rammer niveauet,
find the
skal vi
best way
acceptere,
to
at
solve that.
det er sådan, det er. Vi
of course,
skal finde måden at håndtere det på.
We need the fans. You know, we need the
Selvfølgelig har vi
fans.
brug for
But I have to
fans.
say, they've been brilliant. You know, they've been absolutely
Men,
brilliant in the
jeg skal også sige, at
stadiums,
de også har
and I can
været
completely
fantastiske
understand their
inde på stadion.
frustration
Jeg
with the
forstår
way that we
deres
played.
frustration, især på
But
grund af
what I
den måde,
would
vi
say
spillede
is,
på.
these boys aren't lacking effort at the moment. You know, they're
Men
not.
det er, jeg skal også
It's
sige,
not
at
a
det ikke er
case of
fordi,
they're
at
not
de her unge
trying, they're
spillere
not.
ikke yder en
But
indsats.
we've got to find
eller
a better
prøver.
way of playing. We've got to find more quality in what we're
Vi skal bare
doing.
finde en bedre måde at spille på, og
I don't think people would look at them and say
og spille
they
med
don't
lidt
care.
mere
If anything, at
kvalitet.
the moment, we care too much, and we've got to find a way of getting
Og
that
nogle
right
gange så tror
balance.
folk, at vi er ligeglade, og lige nu er vi alt andet
Hi,
end
Gareth
end
Matlock
ligeglade.
from
Vi
the
skal
Telegraph.
prøve at forbedre os.
It's just sounded there, and a couple of things you said yesterday as well, that maybe some of the players are actually struggling to cope with the pressure a little bit.
I går nævnte du også lidt, at
Would
måske
that
var der
be
nogle spillere,
accurate? And
der
also,
har lidt
do you have a
svært ved
problem with the
presset.
balance of the team at the moment?
Har du haft nogle problemer med
It's
balance
clear
ind på
in
holdet
terms of
i
the
dag?
balance of the team that
Hvad
we
balance
don't
på
have
holdet
our
angår,
best left back available, so that
så må jeg sige, at vi ikke har vores bedste
denies you the
venstre bak.
opportunity for that
med.
balance. But I think Trips has
Og det er
done
også noget,
an
der påvirker
incredible job for
balancen.
the team. So, you know, his
Men vi
spirit,
har
his organisation, his desire have helped us get over the line in the last two games. So that's in no way a
og
criticism of him,
spillerne,
but
de prøver
it's
at gøre
obviously
deres
going to be
bedste
different with a
for
right
at,
footer there than a left.
for at
We
kompensere for
have
det.
been trying to find a solution in midfield for
Vi
7 or
prøver
8
at komme
years.
en løsning på,
If
på
we hadn't
midtbanen,
had
og det har vi gjort
Declan Rice for
i
the
noget
last
tid.
2 years, I don't know where we'd have been.
Jeg ved
Unfortunately,
ikke, hvor vi
Calvin
ville
wasn't
være, hvis vi
possible
ikke
for
havde
us for
Declan
this
Rice.
tournament. Hendo the same. So we're trying to find something different. And
Hando og
some of
Calvin var
that
ikke
has
klar
worked, some
her,
of that
så nu,
hasn't worked so well.
nu prøver vi at komme med
but
nogle
over the
løsninger
years,
på det.
that's
Noget har
been
virket,
a
noget har
consistent
ikke.
problem. We've tried to find the best way of solving, and we've got to do that
Men,
in the coming weeks as
Det
well.
er et problem, vi har haft i noget tid, og det er det, vi prøver at arbejde på nu.
We have to accept that we're in an environment where we have to deliver. This is the arena we're in.
Vi skal bare acceptere, at vi
we've
er
got to
i nogle
walk towards
omgivelser,
that
hvor vi skal
challenge.
levere,
And
og vi skal være
I'm
klar til at tage
intending to walk
udfordringen.
towards it, whatever the reaction is. I'm not going to
Min hensigt er
avoid going over to the
tage
fans at the
udfordringen,
end of the
uanset
game.
hvad
We confront it
hvad
head
reaktionerne er.
on. What we've got to do is play better
Og
and
det samme med
show people
spillerne.
what we're
Vi
really
skal
capable
spille
of.
bedre, og vi skal
Take the
vise
last
folk,
two
hvad
questions.
vi
Yeah,
virkelig
up front, please.
kan gøre.
Hi, Gareth. Sam Rock with Daily Mail. You mentioned the lack of control potentially in the middle in midfield.
Du nævnte,
How much
at I manglede kontrol
do
ind
you
på,
put? How
på
much is that
midtbanen.
linked to the Trent playing in there and not having, in
Hvad
your
har det
eyes, not having
med,
a
med Trent
genuine
at
centre
gøre
midfielder who plays in
ifølge
that
dig?
position every week?
Well, one of
Han
our
er
biggest
vant til at spille
problems
på
was
den
we weren't
position
pressing well enough
hver
as a
uge.
team. So he had all
Vi
sorts of
pressede ikke nok
problems to solve without
som
the
et hold.
ball. And most
Så
of
der var
those
også
he
nogle
did
ting,
really, really well.
vi skulle løse som et hold.
Yeah, clearly you're going to see different pictures when you're in there every week.
Selvfølgelig ser man lidt anderledes på det, når man
he's had
spiller
moments
derinde
where he's played the passes
hver
that we
uge.
thought he could.
Han har haft nogle øjeblikke, hvor han havde nogle rigtig gode
we're looking at a team
afleveringer.
performance. Well, I know
Men det her,
and
det
I
er en
understand you're always going to
holdindsats.
ask me about individuals. But
Og
the
jeg
team
ved også godt,
didn't
at de altid kommer til at
function
spørge
today.
mig
That's my
om individuelle
responsibility.
spillere.
So I have to,
Men det her,
I'm
det er
in control of
holdindsats, og det er
that.
mit ansvar.
I have to find
Jeg
solutions
er-
to that.
Det er mig, der
the players
kontrollerer
are
det, og det er
giving
mig, der skal finde
absolutely everything
løsningerne.
they have.
Spillerne gør
as I said
deres
earlier, if
absolut
anything,
bedste.
they're showing they care too much. And yeah, it's for me to
De indlever
to
sig
find
rigtig meget, og
better
det er meget vigtigt
solutions
for dem.
than
Og det er
we've
mig, der skal
shown,
finde
excuse me,
nogle
in the
bedre
last couple of
løsninger på
matches.
Last question, please.
løsninger til de kommende kampe.
How big a challenge is this for you to turn it round now? Because you said after Iceland, similar problems
det
that you've
svært
seen
at-
today, and that was going to be a wake-up call. It
Og
doesn't
vende
seem to have
om
acted
på
like
det her
that. So
nu.
how big is the challenge you
Du
face?
sagde, at det var lidt svært efter Island-kampen.
The challenge is
Hvor stor en
to do
udfordring bliver
something
der at
that's never
vende
been done
den her
before.
situation?
So it couldn't be any bigger. And
Det er ikke
we
noget,
know
vi
that
ikke har prøvet
we've
før.
had a lot
Så
of
nej,
issues to deal with in the lead into that. But
det
we are where
er en
we
stor
are
ting.
now, and we have to
Vi har
find
haft
the
nogle
best
problemer
way
i dag,
forward.
og vi er, hvor vi er nu. Nu skal vi bare finde den bedste måde
That's
at
the responsibility
komme
I
fremad
have.
på.
I've got to lead the
Det er
group in
mit
the right
ansvar,
way.
og jeg
Make
skal
intelligent
lede
decisions
gruppen
to find the
på
best
den rette vej.
balance, to find
Men jeg skal finde den
more of a
rette
threat
balance,
with
tage
what
de
we're
rigtige
delivering
løsninger.
with the ball, and to be
Og vi skal
better without the ball, so that
finde ud af,
we're not
hvordan vi
needing to
skal
defend for the long
kontrollere
periods of the
bolden,
game
og
that
vi
we
skal også
are
være
at the
bedre
moment.
uden bolden.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Gareth. Thank you,
Okay,
everyone.
thank you.
Tak, Gareth. Tak alle sammen.